Yeah, hello guys. This is gypsum ceiling installation. As you can see. Yeah, this is the installation of a gypsum ceiling design in Nigeria. As you can see, we have the best finishing. You can see the straightness of our grease, and then we have a very nice design. This is 574 design, very nice design. You can call. We give you the best price, and our price is affordable. And we work outside Nigeria as well, outside Lagos, I mean. You can see this is ceiling grease. This is ceiling grease. We have done the installation. So we put in the board. You can contact us on 08063098718 for your gypsum ceiling design. We have the imported POP ceiling design as well. You can contact us. We give you the best price. You can see this is nice job from Adoni James. This is a nice job. This is a nice job. As you can see, do a good job for our clients. As you can see, it's a small place. This is affordable. Gypsum ceiling design. It's very affordable for your home and office. Thank you. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe. Thank you. God bless you.